Development is the never-ending saga which has compelled human beings to reach out for the undiscovered truth. Within its quest for precision, infrastructure stands to be, till today, the most important subject, segregating the level of advancement between nations. Steel, the most potent and most useful outcome of this endless quest, has proved to be the elixir in the alchemy of modern civilization. From needles to aircraft, everywhere it has hoarded its domineering presence. To improve the image of steel, Ministry of Steel along with the major steel producers of the nation like SAIL, Tata Steel, RINL, JSW Steel Limited, Essar Steel, Ispat Industries have promoted Institute for Steel Development and Growth. The institute is a member-based non-profit making organization which primarily works towards the development of advanced design methodologies and technical marketing by expanding application of steel in different segments, upgrading skills and know-how, creating awareness among potential users.
Actually, INSDAG is carrying out several activities for promotion of steel in the country. It is doing technical marketing by convincing the decision makers. It is developing innovative designs of steel structures. It is involved in development of several guidebook and book for structural engineers. It is doing life cycle cost studies for various steel structures. It is also involved in revision of important Indian codes related with steel. It is having several educational activities. It is training the professionals and faculties all over the country. For encouraging the steel structures and innovative steel designs, it is carrying out several award competitions for students as well as professionals. It is having a large membership base and it is answering all questions related with steel.
Conducting national level award competition for professionals and students, providing consultancy on steel-based design, membership and advisory services. If these strategies are implemented, the consumption of steel in India will increase from per capita consumption of 36 kgs at present to 100 kgs within a span of 10 years. In the construction and infrastructure sector, the consumption of steel at present is 17.13 kgs, which would go up to 61.07 kgs within 10 years' time. In the general engineering and manufacturing sector, it is 10.75 kgs at present and would be 38.07 kgs after 10 years. In the pipes and tubes sector, at 3.02 kgs at present, would move to 10.09 in 10 years' time. In the automobiles, including tractors and cycle sectors, it is 1.68 kgs at present and move up to 6.1 kgs in 10 years' time. Institute for Steel Development and Growth has devised the strategy to increase steel consumption in urban sector through buildings, airports, bus stop, bridges and flyovers, multi-storied buildings, multi-level car park, long-span metal buildings, stadiums, exhibition halls, warehouses, accesses, scaffoldings, formworks and temporary structures, continuous reinforced concrete pavement, water tanks, profiled sheet in deck, wall and shattering. Similarly, a strategy has also been taken to increase steel consumption in rural sector through building rural housing, school houses, hospitals and panchayat meeting halls, dhabas and toilets, bullock carts, fencing, road barriers as well, light bridges and culverts.
The outcome of the projects are really encouraging, and in many cases steel intensive options are cost effective. But for efficient design, the state-of-the-art codes are very much required, and that's why we have been involved in a number of codes like IS 800, IS 12778, IRC 22, 24, etc.
The institute has now reached a stage where I would say that there is visible changes that are happening in India as a result of what INSTAG has done. And I'm very happy to see this institute function.
Institute for Steel Development and Growth acts as a bridge between steel manufacturers and end users of steel.
Like itself has to be catalyzed.
INSDAG is a unique institute, only one of its kind, where Government of India, public sector and private sector steel producers, top consultants, R&D institutions and academicians are working together for the one-pointed goal of bringing the best practices in the country. I have got great faith in this institute. I hope the way it is achieving its objective, shortly it will become one of the best institutes in the world in its field.
Finally, it is the time we all came together and walk abreast upon the iron fame of future India with an environment-friendly and durable steel. And INSTAG is there any moment, anytime, anywhere.